Now let's talk about Elrond. Elrond is currently trading at $387.41 with a market cap of $7.6 billion with a ticker of EGLD. If you guys are looking at trade or hodl this cryptocurrency, you got to know what it is. So Elrond is a blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speed by using sharding. The project describes itself as technology ecosystem for the new internet, which includes fintech, decentralized finance, and Internet of Things or IoTs. So that's what it is, guys. Where can you guys trade or hodl this? They're on Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io. Let's see, Gate.io, Liquid. So you guys have opportunity to trade and hodl this. Let's see what their current ratings are. For Symmetry, they got a C+. If you guys do not know about these reports, please check them out. If you guys are looking at getting involved with this cryptocurrency, just educate yourself so you're not getting blindsided, you're not getting the rug pulled on the carpet, you're not getting, blindsided. You just want to be knowledgeable before jumping in. Let's check out some relevant news. When it comes to this, guys, I haven't found one thing specifically to Elrond, but there's some news about just cryptocurrency out right there. So please check out it. I'll have a link below. We'll check out the website, guys. Now Elrond has a very smooth, very clean website. You can learn more about their stating, their validators, developers, business, all that stuff on their website. So you guys can jump in, please. Just educate yourself. Also, the Twitter page has 401,000 followers. They post a lot of their news, a lot of memes, a lot of stuff on their website. Not memes so much. What I was scrolling down through earlier. So just check out that stuff, guys. Also, the Reddit page, very similar to their Twitter page. They post up their stuff. So let's get to that price prediction, guys. All right. So my last video, I did a price prediction of what? $352. It way past that. So if you guys, for example, if you guys took that video and and implemented that trading strategy or that strategy, then you're doing pretty good right now. So right now, I mean, this is a great candle to enter. So I'm going to talk about how to hodl and trade off this position. So right here, guys, I'm going to enter off straight off the market. We're on the daily. We have a hammer. Hammers are usually good indicators to enter for myself. And my price prediction will be just back to the current high. And a very easy high without getting, into that wick area will be basically $491. Basically at that top right there, $491. So I'm gonna enter off a straight market when trading this, and I'm not gonna do a big stop loss. Because this stop loss under here is gonna be pretty big. So it's gonna have to be about maybe $354, especially on a small lot size if you're trading off like a minute trader 4, minute trader 5, stuff like that. But if you're gonna trade this, I would just do a very small lot size. When it comes to hodling, guys, if you look at the previous history, like this thing has been pretty much taking off, like straight up. I wish I knew about it earlier, especially down here, but I found it earlier. I made a video a few weeks ago, so it's doing pretty good right here, all the way up. So it might be pulling up higher, especially for people who are taking profits, which is fine. People who take profits in crypto, I'm happy you guys made profits. That's good. People who do not have an exit plan make it very difficult for trading. They have all these paper profits. Take profits, take some home, buy something, buy whatever you want. For me, I would buy either altcoins, some stocks, some precious metals, stuff like that. But since I'm entering my hodl position right here, I'm saying my trading hodl position. If it goes down past this wick, I'm going to get stopped out. But if it continues on this path, if it goes past this price point right here, about $327, I'm saying $427. What I'm going to do is lock in my trade by moving my stop loss above my entry and letting it run. For the hodl position, guys, I'm just going to do what I've always done before when it comes to hodling. Enter on a very strategic, planned, and a certain amount. So entering every Friday with $500, $100, $200, whatever. Just whatever amount from your job. And entering so every single time it does that, I remove the emotional aspect of trading, remove the emotional part of trading, so I can enter on a scheduled position. So now I'm entering on a scheduled plan, and if it hits a $400+, let's say even if it hits this top, I'm going to be taking profits all the way up, so I can get my initial capital back and put it into something else or keep it, whatever. But give my initial money out so I can let that trend higher. And for trading, guys, I just want one entry. It's really high up there, especially if I've entered down here. I made my previous video, so going up, now you have 2 positions going up higher. So with that being that, I'm going to be from a hot position every single Friday, every set period. So just have a plan for entry and exit. And that's the thing about it, guys. Creating a plan, sticking to it, and taking profits and doing something with the profits. You watch my other videos about economics and what typically, like, you should do something with your profits. Remember, you guys got taxes, stuff like that. But I have another video and stuff like that. But that's the price prediction, guys. I'm going to 491. If any questions or comments, guys, drop them below. We're gonna have that conversation. But let's get to my website, guys. Now, I've been posting my live trading robot. So if you guys want to watch it, please check it out. I put some cool music on it. Tell me how you guys like the music or not. And it's been trading on US 30. So if you guys want to see it, just check it out. Also, I have my own trading course for Forex and crypto, stocks, and financial education all in one. So see what you guys can do with that. I do have a portion with that, plus my live daily sessions, 101. If you guys are checking my crypto portion, please check it out, guys. Open up a free account, stuff like that. But that's the video, guys. Please tell me what you guys' thoughts are. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let's have this conversation about Elrond, and I'll see you guys on the next video.